G'day guys, how you going? It's the painter here. I've got another little helpful tip for you. Now when you're using a spray shield, now as in these rooms here, I'll use a spray shield so I don't get the paint up on the ceiling, finished ceiling. You put paper and tape over it. Basically when the paint builds up, you can just rip it off and you can start again. I put it on both sides so I can just flip this and keep working. So this gives me about half an hour of spraying before I've got to stop and maybe redo it again. Normally got to take it out and give it a wash. Some people just use the throwaway ones, but this is an actual Hyde shield. So you just put it on a roller pole and hold it up wherever you want. And this way here I can work by myself. I can do these up here, ceilings. I'll just add it to extension pole. So as I'm spraying, I'll set that up and I'll sit that up there, and then I can spray those tongue and groove boards without getting any on the ceiling, and then I'll just go around and I'll just cut that in. So I actually just have it sitting on the ground. I have it out like that, and yeah, it's a bloody good idea. The paper and tape, can't go wrong with it. So this is what your blade looks like afterwards. I didn't use that side, but I'm going to use this side. But you can see the paint dripping off there. Look how thick it is. Look at that. And so normally you'd have to take and wash that. This is how easy it is now. Another little helpful tip from the painter.